1. Question A. Plot the results of each examinations in MATLAB. First, we have to create X element, which is the number of students, Y element, which is the marks of each student, bar comment XY, X label, Y label, and the title of the graph. This is the graph of result for each examination. Next, for question B, use MATLAB to calculate average and standard deviation of each examination. First, we have to create each element with 3 different types of tests, which is lab test 1, lab test 2, and final exam. Those elements are marks of each student for different type of tests. For average, we use mean comment, and standard deviation we use STD comment, and the value of mean and standard deviation will appear at the common window. For question C, if lab test 1 carry mark is 25%, lab test 2 carry mark is 35%, and final exam carry mark is 40%, calculate student total marks and plot it. First, we use initialize and student equals to 1, then the condition while and student less than equal to 15, and the updating and student equals to n student plus 1, then input from user for lab test 1, lab test 2, and the final exam, and the formula lab 1 equals to x divided by 100 times 25, lab test 2 y divided by 100 times 35, and final equal to z divided by 100 times 45, and the total marks equal to lab 1 plus lab 2 plus final. When we run the simulation, this is how the working of the code that I make. It will continue looping until number of students equals to 15, then it will terminate automatically. For the graph, we have X element, which is number student 1 to 15, and Y element, which is the value of total mark for each student. Then bar comment XY, Y label, X label, and the title of the graph. Then, this is the graph of total marks examination for each student.
Question 2. A function fx is given as fx equal 3x3 plus 4x2 plus 2x plus 6. A. Plot the function fx using 10, 25, 50, and 100 points. So for 10 points, x10 equal line space -5 to 10. So why I'm using x10? Because I want to plot the graph using 10 points, and line space is for x-axis, and the value for x-axis that I want is -5 to 2. So for y10, just put the value that was given in fx. Plot x10, y10, this is to plot the graph. So just click run and the graph will be show up. So as you can see, my graph started with -5 until 2. This is because I have the right line space -5 2. That's why my graph started with -5. So next, I want to put my graph using 25 points. So just change x10 to 25, press shift enter at the same time to automatically change the value of x. And 1 to 25, and this also to 25, and click run. So this is the graph for 25 points. So now I want using 50 points. So just click x25, change with 50, 5 to 50, and click run. So this is the graph for 50 points. And lastly, I want to put my graph using 100 points. 100, 100, 100, and click run. So this is the answer for 100 points. And for question 2b, I have to differentiate fx. So since x, fx, y, diff fx, so this is to differentiate fx. X on space -5 to fy, so this is to plot the graph. So as you can see, the command window shows the answer for differentiate fx. So this is the graph for differentiate.